You want to make money, but you don't want to take the time to start a business, and affiliate marketing is not for you, right? Then what do you do? Like, get another job? Well, maybe, I guess. Or get a better job? That's a option, right? But what if you can make money while playing games? Does that interest you? I mean, like, you can download the games on your phone and play, and the better you get, the more money you will make, and all that good stuff. And I'm not just talking like 10 cents or 20 cents a game or something like that. I'm talking hundreds of dollars a month just to test different games and hit levels in your free time. That sound interesting? You want to know the website to go to? You want to know where to go to? Well, I'm going to get into all that. Plus the strategy I use to make thousands a month online while playing games. But before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My
name is Devon. Put in work Burke, a business consultant, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. I'm here to help you make more money, start your dream business, while building a better you and body. So with that being said, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, so have you ever heard of Testerup? Probably not. But if you have, that's good. I'm glad you do. I'm glad you know about it. You should be using it, because this is a great way to make some side income in your free time. Now, the Testerup app connects developers and marketers looking for customer feedback with Testerup users through its testing platform. So, Testerup pays its members to play games, answer surveys, or give opinions on products or other materials. Testerup has about 3 million registered members and has earned a 4.4 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot with more than 8,100 reviews. 64% of reviewers gave the app 5 stars, and another 20% awarded it 4 stars. Since its release, the app has earned a 4.1 out of 5 stars on the Apple App Store, and with over 6,200 user reviews and 3.7 out of 5 stars on the Google Play Store with over 41,000 reviews. So, obviously, Testerup is the shit. And while many apps promise you can play games online for fun, the real trick is learning how to make money using the app without devoting days or weeks to reaching the highest level of a game. Although official numbers of what people earn with the app aren't available, the Testerup site says that testers could earn up to $120 per test offer, and new users receive up to 50 offers to test immediately, worth more than $800. But when logging on through the site, I was presented with 30 different offers or tasks worth about $1,700. However, after first logging through the app game and only 17 suggestions, it's worth $760. And each task has different milestones, like reaching a certain level in the game or completing a task section. The dollar amounts are attached to each milestone, and you'll earn funds as you progress. The higher the level, or more complex the task, the more you will make. Like, for instance, in the Matchmaster game that I play for all the time, right? Users must download the game app through the Testerup and complete the setup process. Once you begin playing, you'll receive $1 for reaching level 3, $12 for reaching level 7, so on until you reach level 23 and earn $132. The total payout of the game is $132 if you complete all levels and tasks, including making an in-app purchase, which is only like $2.99. All tasks have time limits, usually 30 days for completion, and users must enable tracking by Testerup so that their progress can be verified. But who's not being tracked by apps these days, right? And depending on the task, you may need to provide proof of completion through screenshots to receive payment. Testerup checks each task progress by hand, and if your progress is rejected by the reviewer several times, you may be blocked and unable to participate in future offers. Once your task has been verified, payment will be credited to your account. You must wait to cash out until you reach a minimum cash balance of $70 before redeeming your funds through PayPal. Users can only withdraw up to $250 per transaction. You may need to verify your identity through biometric verification before receiving any type of payout. And Testerup may withhold payment if you do not complete the verification process. So please remember to verify yourself. So alternatives to Testerup would be survey sites like Survey Junkies, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. Now, they don't pay as much as Testerup, but they can be a good add-on if you really want to make some money. And I know at the beginning of this video, I spoke about not doing an affiliate marketing, but honestly, this is actually the best way to make money besides playing games online, right? You want to add that into your strategy. So with that being said, I want to talk about the strategy, right? Now, hear me out. This strategy is not hard, but it takes a little work, right? So you download Testerup, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, and Swagbucks to your phone if you can. Now you sign up for all four of them, right? Then you play the games, you do surveys, you do all these different things in your spare time. And then you create a one-page website like I have in the link below. And then you promote that one-page website on different social media sites. You know, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? You could take this strategy one step further and screen record you playing the games, post it on YouTube, and put your one-page site in the description below. Now, this will give you the opportunity to make even more income if your channel ends up getting monetized by YouTube. Okay? Now, so basically, you can create the site using Blogger, Wix.com, WordPress.com, or any other free website maker. Okay? This can be an easy and affordable way to create some side income. Okay? So, there you have it. That's how you make hundreds or thousands of dollars playing games online. Okay? So, do remember, well, brothers, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth of themselves, signing off for how to make thousands a month playing games online. And don't forget, make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. Peace.